Now, without wasting any more time, let's jump right into it. First, keep in mind that the developers have clearly advised not to download the game from any links other than the official one you're seeing here. This is important to protect your device from potential risks. Next, go ahead and click the link. You'll be redirected to the download page. Once you're there, scroll down until you find the latest version available. At the moment, the newest version is 2.8.2. Make sure to download both required files. This step is important to ensure the game runs properly on your PC. After that, open the next tab, scroll down again, find the correct download link, and click on it. Then simply wait for the download to complete. Once everything is downloaded, locate the files and extract both of them. After extraction is finished, open the folder and look for the launch game file. If this is your first time opening the game, it may take a few minutes to load, so be patient. Also, if you have antivirus software enabled, make sure to allow the game so it can run without issues. Since this is a modded version of the game, your system might flag it as a virus, but that's just a false warning. The game itself is safe. After launching, go into the settings and select your preferred language. You can also adjust other settings based on your personal preferences. That's pretty much it for this guide. If you found it helpful, consider subscribing for more PvZ Fusion content. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment, and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.